Good evening everyone, this is Mind Aviation here. Today we're going to do another model aircraft review. This is Emirates Airbus A350-900 in the 1/200 scale proportion. So I got this as a gift and now let's start the information. Emirates officially took the delivery of its first Airbus A350 on the 25th of November 2024 and the aircraft officially entered the commercial service in January 2025. This milestone marked the first new aircraft type to join the airline's fleet since 2008. A350-900 rollout is a major part of the airline fleet expansion since the commercial debut. A350 has quickly expanded across the network. Emirates Airbus A350-900 features 312 seats across the three classes layout in 32 in business class, 21 in premium economy, and 259 in economy. It is deployed on short haul to medium haul routes such as London Gatwick, Edinburgh, Adelaide, Australia, to complement the airline standard wide-body fleet. The A350 delivers several key upgrades to the Emirates passenger experience, including business class offers lie flat seats in a 1-to-1 configuration, each featuring a personal minibar, wireless charging, and 4K entertainment screens. Anyway, that's it for the information. Let's put the box out of the way. Now it's time for the model. This is a push-fit model. And now, let's put it together. Awesome. So we got the right wing. And we're going to put the elevators. There we go. And now let's go for the details about these models. And it says Airbus A350-900 with the cockpit windows with the black paint. And you can see the gold Emirates titles with the business class section, with the premium economy section and the standard economy. And it says Emirates in the Arabic titles. And the registration number is A6-EXA, which is the first one. And the Emirates new tail fin color, which is the flag. And the Emirates on the winglets, which is they paint their tail fins in the winglets as well. And on the other side, the winglet with the Emirates logo. And it says Emirates on the bottom. And the red on the other side. And we have the Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines. And we have the white elevators. And you can see the left-hand side, business class, premium economy and standard economy section. And yeah. So I'm back in 2026 in February. It was the first flight I flew on from Sri Lanka to Dubai, which was the 777-300. And Dubai to Colombo, it was this aircraft, the Airbus A350-900. And you can see the Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines. And we have the thrusts. And the flight time is 4 hours. And now let's put it on the stand. And now it's like flying in the sky now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We shall see you in the next review, and have a good evening to you all. Good night.